Welcome back again to my channel, Ivan Cooking Adventures, and today we're having actually a sweet potato casserole for you guys. And for the sweet potato casseroles, we actually adding to this recipe, of course, sweet potato. We're gonna add a little bit of marshmallows in there. We're gonna have chopped pecans, heavy cream, milk, agave nectar, my mixture of ingredients that I will actually tell you later what is in it, and also we're gonna infuse the pecans with a little bit of tequila. Start by peeling the sweet potatoes. Cut the ends just like that, and use a peeler to peel off the skin, just like that. You see how it is? You see how beautiful is this kind of root? The colors is very nice for Thanksgiving. Same Thanksgiving colors there. You see? Peel it, and then with this end here, with this scoop here, you take out the excess dirt that you cannot take off with the peeler. Just as simple. So now that you have peeled off your sweet potato, just cut it in small pieces, just like that. Drag the knife to the middle, you see, and then cut it in 4 parts like this. They're a little bit tough to cut, but give it some strength, and you will do it, just like that. Look, just push the knife through with both hands. Got that there. See? And in half with both hands. So now that you have the water boiling a little bit, just drop your sweet potatoes in the boiling water and let it boil until they are soft. Add a little bit of salt in there for taste. Now that the sweet potato has been boiled, just use a strainer to strain the water off your sweet potatoes. Now that you have strained your sweet potato, just you will have it ready for mashing. Okay, now it is time to mash the sweet potatoes. Just transfer it into a bowl and use a potato masher to mash your potato. You have to make a kind of a puree with them so it could be very soft. Just now, once you have a mash, add the milk and the heavy cream and keep mashing. Just combine all those ingredients together. The cream, sweet potatoes, and the milk. Once you have it combined, then you add the agave. I like to use agave nectar instead of sugar because it gives does a nice syrupy flavor instead of sugary flavor. Just slowly just combine all those flavors, all of those ingredients. So now we're turning like very soft. Now you add my mixture of ingredients. My mixture of spices contains demerara sugar, sea salt, cloves, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, cayenne pepper, maple sugar, dry sage, and onion powder. Again, keep mixing all of those ingredients together. So now it is time to assemble our sweet potato casserole. Starting by doing a layer on the bottom of sweet potato. There. Just like that. It's gonna be a layer of sweet potato, a layer of marshmallow, and another layer of sweet potato. And on top, we're gonna have our infused tequila pecans. Spread it out all the way on the baking dish. Then do a layer of marshmallow in the middle. And another layer of sweet potato on top. Just bring the pan to the heat and let it become hot before adding any of the pecans inside the pan. To do the infused tequila pecans, just add the pecans to a hot pan and let it toast for about 5 to 10 minutes before adding a little bit of butter. Now that you have seen that the pecans has changed color and started smelling like they're roasted, just add a little bit of butter in the middle so you could butter up all the pecans with a little bit of butter. And mix all the butter, melt the butter with the pecan. Try to make all the pecans to be all covered up with butter. Once the butter has melted, then you add the tequila. And the agave. Mix it well and cook it for about another minute. Lower the fire. Once everything has dried up a little bit, take it off the heat. Now that we have this ready, just pour it on top of your sweet potato pie. Spread it out on top, just like that. Just try to cover every inch of that casserole there. Because we're gonna take and put this baby inside the oven at 350 degrees for half an hour. We want all of these flavors to combine together. So now we're just gonna put this in the oven at 350 degrees, like I said, for half an hour. So we're just gonna leave it there and we're gonna see how this is gonna come out later. Okay, let's see how it looks in the first 15 minutes of being in the oven. You see how everything is melting there. You can see the marshmallow bubbling up and everything's setting. Look at there, all of that marshmallows there in the middle. That's gonna be so delicious when it's done. So let's actually put it back in the oven and close it and wait for the next 15 minutes so it could be ready. So now that the 30 minutes has passed, we're gonna take it out of the oven and just look how it looks. Everything's melted. So we're just gonna leave it here for another 10 or 15 minutes to set before serving. Okay, to serve, just cut it in cubes, just like this. And with a spatula, just take it off the pan and just serve it. Look how beauty this looks. Nice sweet potato casserole with pecans and infused tequila, marshmallows, and agave nectar. Just to die for. Now, let's just try it out. And if you like to see more of our recipes, just subscribe to our channel and enjoy. Mm. Mm. Mm.